Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to save your Google Forms as PDF or how to convert a Google form into a PDF, right? So first, of course, you want to head over to your Google Forms, and I'm going to click my Google Apps here, and I'm going to simply head over to Forms, right? So here you can find forms within the list. You want to open up the forms, and you want to find the form that you want to convert to PDF. So I have a test form here. I'm going to open up that form, and once you have the form loaded that you want to convert to PDF, all you have to do, click the three dots on the upper right hand side here, and you will have the option that says print. You want to click on that. Now, once you have this option open, you will see under destination a few options. By default, it says save to PDF, which is what you want. You also have other options as well, but ensure that it is selected as save as PDF. That's going to allow you to save it on your PC. Then click on save, and then you'll have the option to save it on your PC. So I have it, the location right now set as my downloads folder. So I'm going to click on save. And if I open up my folder here in my computer, let me move this over, you can see that I have that test form as a PDF. And if I open that, this is my form. Let me go ahead and maximize it so you can see. And this is my test form as a PDF document. And that's all there is to it. That's all. You can easily go ahead and save any Google form document you have as a PDF. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.